Hey, welcome back to Five Lakes Garage, and today's a special day because we have new accessories for our 2019 Toyota Tacoma. Now, we hooked up with Hooke Road right here behind me, and they were gracious enough to send me this bumper here. Now, if you want to look on their website, it's hookeroad.com. They have everything for Jeeps, Toyotas, Rangers, you name it, they probably got it. Take a look and see what's in there. But right now, we're going to see what's inside this box. What's in the box? Alright, finally got everything out of the box, and it was a bit of a chore by myself. But I do have a camera guy here now, so we are in great shape. Alright, let's analyze every part that came in the box and let you know exactly what it's for. Come on over. Alright, first thing you're gonna do, you have your brackets. Now this is some pretty good sized steel. And if you look up here on the screen, it's carbon steel with an E-coating and then a texture coating. So each piece has all that stuff, so you're protected for at least 5 years. I'm gonna say more, but they're gonna guarantee it for 5 years. You have your license plate bracket. You also have an entire bag of assembly parts. All the nuts, all the bolts, everything. Everything is grade 8 because you don't want your bumper to fall off. Most importantly, it comes with instructions. Now take a look at these instructions. It's in color. Oh my gosh, and if you don't like the paper, which I know a lot of you young people don't like the paper, it has a QR code. You can actually scan it and get exactly the same thing digitized. So anyway, the main feature though is the bumper. Take a look at some of these features and let me know what you think. We're gonna start over here on the right. You have yourself a step. It's already built in. You can go up there. Some of these trucks are a little bit higher. Boom, there you go. You have yourself a step. This is actually going to come all the way up to the fender. Basically the same design as the stock piece, but it's not made out of plastic. That's steel. Also, it comes with 18-watt LED lights. You're going to hook this up to your backups. So on your 7-pin connector, we're going to splice that in, so every time you hit reverse, boom, you got even brighter lights. Alright, so if your truck has sensors, parking sensors, backup sensors, whatever, they have provisionings for those. They have little caps in there right now because I don't have that. So you have 4 of those. Put your sensors right in there, take them off your old bumper, put them right in there, and they should work perfectly. Everything is integrated. You also have a place right here for your 7-pin connector and your 4-pin. Now on the stock truck, it's going side to side. This is going to go vertical. We can figure that one out. All right, I'm going to show you real quick on why we wanted to get a new bumper. Let's go over to the truck. All right, this is the tail end of our 2019 Toyota Tacoma. That's plastic. Why does Toyota do that? I don't know. But it gives us an opportunity to upgrade. That's why Hooke Road hooked us up with this rear bumper, because if you come off a rock, you're going to hit this bumper, it's not going to do much. It's going to rip it right off. And I already had to rebend my fender because that's exactly what I did when I was out there off-road. Alright, so that's basically everything that's inside the box. It comes with all the right pieces. We're going to go ahead and install it here in a few minutes. So check that out next time at Five Lakes Garage when we actually install this beautiful beast on this Tacoma, and we'll show you exactly what you're going to need, how you're going to do it, and how you can do it yourself. And then to top it all off, we're going to go out on for an off-road adventure hopefully next week, and we're going to get this thing scratched up because that's what we do. We got to go out and got to go hard. Anyway, take it easy, have fun, check out all the other stuff over here at Five Lakes Garage, and also check out Hooke Road. So far so good. We'll let you know how it goes about a year from now.